Welcome to the another video. In this video, I'm going to explain how to convert the PDF file into AutoCAD file. Okay, it's very simple. We need to use the shortcut import. Import is a shortcut. Otherwise, we have an option here. If you click on this insert tab, we are going to get the option PDF here. This option, open this, we have an option PDF import. Once you click on the PDF import, it is asking where is the file. I do have one of the file here. Select this PDF file. Okay. We can see the preview of the file which we are opening. Just click on the option open for this. Once I click on the open, here we are going to get some of the specifications and we can see that what is the size of the existing paper, A3 size. Okay. So just click on the option OK on this. Once I click on OK, so now we can see here we are going to get the particular drawing which is converted into AutoCAD file. That's it. Okay. So we are going to get the complete neat and clean AutoCAD file which we converted from the PDF to the .dwg format.